Hi everyone, this is Raider Kisses. For today's video, I want to share the story of my life and my journey on my cancer. Um, Last 2018, I lost a husband and I have 4 kids. And it's not easy to be a single mom and facing these trials in my life, which is the breast cancer. And back in 2020, the doctor tells me that really I have a breast cancer, and they saying to me that I need to go with surgery and chemotherapy, and because of my friend, my family, they support me emotionally and spiritually. So I go to a surgery on 2021, and after that, after a few months, I go to a chemotherapy for 1 year and 9 months. So all in all, I have like 28 chemotherapy. It's not easy, it's so hard, like other people that go through this chemotherapy. It's so hard. You feel like you're dying, but you need to fight. So after that, I finished my chemotherapy, and the doctor said right now everything is okay. And yeah, until now I'm still fighting. I still have 6 years to fight through this, because they said after 6 years, that was definitely they can declare that I am a cancer free. Now right now I've been 4 years now, so 6 more years, and I'm praying and hoping that this cancer will be gone and declare me as a cancer-free patient. So guys, please pray for me and still subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much for supporting me and Raider Brian. He's a good man. He always be there for me. He encouraged me a lot. He gave me a wisdom, and he never ever give up, and I hope one day, while we're waiting for our I'm waiting for my fiancé visa, I wish that you continue us to support us here at our channel. Thank you guys. God bless.